I don't know if you can see, but the belt is wandering slightly. You can just see it. So that's why we're actually taking it or replacing the tensioner. The last thing we need to do, our change, is the time belt, is the fan belt tensioner. Not because it's gone, because it's wandering. I'll show you in a second. All you need is an E12 inverted torque, a 17mm 12-sided socket or a spanner, just to get to the actual tensioner part. Even though this one's already preloaded, so we just got to pull the pin and it'll come out, but we still need to give it that bit of a squeak, or that bit of a pull. You can see one E12 there and one E12 there. We've already put the new fan belt on, a new water pump. We did that when we was doing the timing chain. You want to take a picture of the belt or write it down just so you know what route it goes, and then we can start. What I was able to do is leave the belt actually in place, just take it off the tensioner. And it's an original Mercedes tensioner, so it's the original one from the car. Hopefully you can, I don't know if you, oh, that's really hot. That's rocking. This one's solid, this one's rocking, so time to change. We've pulled the pin and look, already just sitting on that a million times better than what the old one was. As you can see, it's not sticking over the pulley, it's actually in the middle of the pulley, where before the fan belt was sticking over the pulley, and you can see the pulley's moving in and out, tensioning a lot better than what it was before. So that is a great job done. Ah, sorted. Now look, don't get me wrong, that is normally a very, very simple job, but when it is 35 degrees inside the shed I'm in, and that engine is like 80, 90 degrees, and you're a fat git like me, undoing them two bolts is torture, absolute torture, but at least it's done.